NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining a of 1, -5 and b of -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Answer. We are given 2 points, a of 1, -5 and b of -4, 5. There is a line segment joining these 2 points and it is passing through x-axis. We have to find the ratio in which this point on x-axis divides the line segment AB and also find the coordinates of the point on this x-axis. Any point on the x-axis can be written as x, 0. We have y coordinate 0 because the point is on x-axis. First, let us find the ratio m:n in which this point x, 0 divides the line segment joining a, b. Let us use the section formula for internal division. The coordinates of the dividing point are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here x1 y1 is 1, -5 and x2 y2 is -4, 5, and we know that this point is x, 0. Since y coordinate is 0, let us equate the y coordinates. M times y2 plus n times y1 by m plus n is equal to 0. Let us substitute the values for y1 and y2. M times y2 is 5 plus n times y1 is -5 by m plus n is equal to 0. Cross multiplication, we get m times 5 is 5m, n times -5 is -5n is equal to 0. That implies 5m is equal to 5n. Cancel 5 on both sides. M is equal to n. Bring n to the LHS. M by n is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, the ratio m is to n is 1 is to 1, which means the point on x-axis x, 0 divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1 is to 1, which means this is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A and B. Now we need to find the coordinates of this midpoint. And what is the formula to find the midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us substitute the values. Let us substitute the values for x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 is 1 plus x2 is -4 by 2. y1 is -5 plus y2 is 5 divided by 2. 1 minus 4 by 2 is -3 by 2. -5 plus 5 becomes 0. Therefore, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, the point of division is -3 by 2, 0. Therefore, the answer to the given question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A of 1, -5 and B of -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis is the ratio 1 is to 1. And the coordinates of the point of division is equal to -3 by 2, 0.